We are building the bit by bit project for the YByte Python curriculum available at www.ybyte.in. Having looked at the bitwise and the bitwise OR operators, now let's focus on the bitwise XOR operator. Once again, the big picture, the idea is very similar. We are going to supply, let's say, two integers, two inputs, and we're going to get back one more integer. Internally, we will look at the binary representation of this. The only catch is the only difference between and or and now is that we will now do an XOR between the bits. So XOR between these bits, and so on and so forth. We'll end up with an equal length binary number, which will then be converted to decimal and shown back to us. Once again, let's look at an example. So let's say I'm doing a bitwise XOR between 43 and 157. We have seen previously 43 is 00101 and 157 is 100 111 01. Now XOR, remember, is an operator where I get 1 provided the two values that are being input are different. So if I do a single bit XOR on this, I will get a 1. For this, I'll get a 0 because both are 0. For this, I'll get a 1. For this, I'll get a 1. For this, again, I'll get a 0 because remember, 1 and 1, when I XOR, both are same, hence I get a 0. This will result 1. Finally, this will also result in a 0. So we are just applying the rules, what we have seen for the single bit XOR. Every bit, we are applying that rule. The equivalent decimal here happens to be 182, and that's why if I were to do a bitwise XOR between them, this cap symbol, we will get bitwise, let's say 182. We can see both of this. So 10110 So if I were to do say int, that is int 10110110 base 2, that's 182, which means that if I were to do 43, this cap type of symbol 157, that is also 182 because that is the bitwise XOR between these two integers. Basically, logic is very simple. Applying XOR bit by bit to the binary representations of this and then returning me the decimal value. Once again, we are building towards our activity in a logical step-by-step manner. I hope you are enjoying this process. Do look at our website www.ybyte.in because we have many lessons in Python taught in a similar systematic manner. Take care. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.